Are you tired of the daily grind, longing for a way to escape the 9-to-5 routine and earn money on your own terms? Look no further than affiliate marketing, the path to financial freedom and limitless potential. By leveraging the power of partnerships and digital platforms, you can turn your passion into profit and watch your bank account grow while doing what you love. In this video, we will explore what affiliate marketing is all about, how it works, and provide invaluable tips to help you succeed in this exciting venture. So buckle up and get ready to dive into the world of earning money through affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Imagine this scenario. You stumble upon a fantastic product or service that you absolutely love. You can't help but share it with your friends and family, constantly raving about its benefits and quality. Now, what if I told you that you could actually earn money by doing just that? That's exactly what affiliate marketing is all about. At its core, affiliate marketing is a performance-based strategy where individuals, affiliates, promote products or services on behalf of a business, merchants, in exchange for a commission. It's like being the middle person who connects customers to businesses they might not have discovered otherwise. Here's how it works. As an affiliate marketer, you sign up for an affiliate program offered by a merchant. They provide you with unique tracking links or codes that are specific to your account. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, the merchant tracks it back to you, ensuring that you receive credit for the sale. Affiliate marketing removes many of the traditional barriers associated with starting an online business. You don't need to create your own products or handle customer support. All those responsibilities fall under the merchant's domain. Your main focus is driving traffic and generating conversions through effective promotional strategies. By becoming an affiliate marketer, not only do you get to monetize your passion but also gain access to a vast range of products and services across various niches. Whether it's fashion, fitness, technology, home decor, there's something out there for everyone. Intrigued? Ready to embark on this exciting journey towards financial independence? In the next section, we'll discuss how to get started with affiliate marketing and lay down some practical steps so that even beginners can hit the ground running. How does affiliate marketing work? Affiliate marketing is a powerful strategy that allows individuals to earn passive income by promoting products or services on behalf of companies. But how does it actually work? Let's break it down. First, you need to find an affiliate program that aligns with your interests and niche. Once you've joined the program, you'll be given a unique affiliate link or code that tracks your referrals. Next, you'll incorporate this link into your content, whether it's a blog post, social media post, or email newsletter. Your goal is to convince your audience to click on the link and make a purchase. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and completes a transaction, you earn a commission. The amount of commission varies depending on the program and product, service being promoted. To maximize your earnings, it's important to focus on quality content creation and building trust with your audience. This means providing valuable information about the product, service, sharing personal experiences or reviews, and being transparent about any potential biases. Remember that successful affiliate marketing requires consistent effort and dedication. It takes time to build an audience and establish credibility within your niche. But once you've gained traction, the earning potential can be significant. In conclusion, not concluding, understanding how affiliate marketing works is essential for anyone looking to monetize their online presence. By finding suitable programs, products, services to promote and creating engaging content around them, individuals can generate passive income through commissions earned from successful referrals. So why not give it a try? Start exploring different affiliate programs today. How to get started with affiliate marketing. So, you've heard about the potential of earning money through affiliate marketing and now you're wondering how to get started. Well, you're in the right place. In this blog section, we'll walk you through some key steps to help you kickstart your journey into the world of affiliate marketing. First things first, it's important to find a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. This will make it easier for you to create engaging content and connect with your audience authentically. Whether it's fitness, fashion, cooking, or technology, choose something that excites you. Once you have chosen your niche, the next step is to find suitable affiliate programs within that industry. There are numerous affiliate networks and platforms out there such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. Take some time to research different programs and select those that offer products or services relevant to your niche. After joining an affiliate programs, it's time to start creating valuable content for your target audience. This could be in the form of blog posts, product reviews, tutorials, or even videos. The key here is to provide helpful information while subtly promoting the products or services through unique referral links provided by the affiliate program. Now comes an essential aspect of successful affiliate marketing: driving traffic to your content. Utilize various digital marketing strategies such as search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, SMM, email campaigns, or paid advertising methods like Google Ads or Facebook ads. Remember that building trust with your audience is crucial in order for them to click on your referral links and make purchases. Be transparent about any affiliations in compliance with FTC guidelines, and always prioritize providing value before making sales pitches. Keep analyzing data from your campaigns using analytics tools like Google Analytics or specific network tracking software provided by affiliate programs themselves. This will help identify what strategies are working best for generating conversions so you can optimize accordingly. Now, armed with these initial steps, you're ready to start your affiliate marketing journey. Remember, Tips for successful affiliate marketing. Tips for successful affiliate marketing. 1. Choose the right niche. The first step to successful affiliate marketing is selecting a niche that you are passionate about and that has good profit potential. This will make it easier for you to create content and engage with your audience. 2. Research products and services. Before promoting any products or services, conduct thorough research to ensure they align with your niche and are of high quality. Your reputation as an affiliate marketer depends on the value you provide to your audience. 3. Build trust with your audience. Building trust is crucial in affiliate marketing. Be honest, transparent, and provide valuable information to your audience. By positioning yourself as an expert in your niche, people will be more likely to trust your recommendations. 4. Create high-quality content. Content is king in affiliate marketing. Invest time in creating high-quality content such as blog posts, videos, or social media posts that offer value to your audience. Quality content not only attracts more visitors but also increases the chances of conversions. 5. Optimize SEO efforts. Implement proper search engine optimization techniques by incorporating relevant keywords into your content, optimizing meta tags, using descriptive URLs, and building backlinks from reputable sources. 6. Build relationships with affiliate networks. Joining reputable affiliate networks can give you access to a wide range of products and services to promote while providing support from experienced marketers. 7. Track your performance. Monitor the performance of different campaigns using analytics tools provided by both the merchant's website and third-party platforms like Google Analytics or Bitly Links Shortener tool. This will help you identify what works best for driving conversions. Remember that success in affiliate marketing takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if results aren't immediate. Alternatives to affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to earn money online, but it's not the only option available. If you're looking for alternatives to affiliate marketing, here are a few ideas to consider. 1. Create and sell your own products. Instead of promoting other people's products as an affiliate, why not create and sell your own? Whether it's physical goods or digital downloads like ebooks or courses, having your own product gives you more control over pricing and profits. 2. Offer services. If you have a specific skill or expertise, consider offering services in that area. This could include things like freelance writing, graphic design, social media management, consulting, or virtual assistance. By providing valuable services to clients, you can generate income based on your skills. 3. Monetize your blog through advertising. If you enjoy writing and have a blog with good traffic, one alternative to affiliate marketing is monetizing your blog through advertising networks like Google AdSense or Mediavine. These programs allow you to display ads on your site and earn money from clicks or impressions. 4. Become a sponsored influencer. Another way to make money online is by becoming a sponsored influencer on platforms like Instagram or YouTube. Brands may pay you to promote their products or services through sponsored posts or videos. 5. Develop an e-commerce store. E-commerce has become increasingly popular in recent years, and setting up an online store can be a lucrative business venture. You can source products from wholesalers or manufacturers and sell them directly to customers through platforms like Shopify.